India's heritage need heritage warriors too, who will step forward. And because you work with children, a lot of times I know there is this guilt which children or children are gifted when we take them to talking about climate change and environment, and we say that we have to change it and the change has to come from you. Similarly, when children see this heritage site dilapidating or sort of being forgotten or being shown in a new light, and we say that it's up to you to protect our heritage, we own it. So how do children respond to, let's say, the forgotten part of history or the unknown part of history?
Plus, I got a call from one of the drama teachers working in that school. Can you share stories about this particular historical character and space, because we will also be working in the drama and education aspect with that particular unit. So I saw those connections being made, and I realized that the school is making an effort to and help the children kind of make sense of it, taking that effort to bring them to the historical site and then engaging with us, and not just randomly, the teachers are talking about it. They wanted experts to engage the students in these themes, and then they asked us also give them some post-walk assignments to think about, to engage with that topic in a more detailed way, because आपका walk तो 3 घंटे का होगा, लेकिन उसके बाद क्या होगा? So we really want to leave the children with that theme, in a deeper way, so that it stays with them and they engage with it at different levels. So there I see effort is being made, but if I try to see how is that translating in a particular lesser known, which is already in danger of, going off the map of Delhi maybe in another 100 years or so, because the condition is so bad, there I see a gap. So I don't know if schools can really come up with some plans where they get these petitions signed by children and sent to the government, or they literally adopt a monument and either financially invest in its upkeep or involve their students to. Now there's so much social media which the students are using, so they can go and visit the space, make reels, talk about the condition. Probably जब इतना massive level पर content बनेगा, so maybe the government would also notice, or even if the government doesn't notice, maybe some news channels will notice that these students are constantly coming to this site, engaging with it, probably cleaning it, or engaging with the community around it. Because a lot of times I've seen that the people who are living in the closest proximity to the monument are not really aware of the stories, the history. Maybe they know the name, इसकी है, इसकी मज़ार है, इसका ये है, वो है. But then a lot of other interesting stories to it. So there's a sense of indifference, apathy towards the structure, and it is more seen like कि यार, हट जाए यहाँ से, या how can we encroach upon this space, वो ज़्यादा सोच रहती है, rather than a sense of connect and a sense of ownership with these historical spaces.